Have you ever felt nervous at the airport because you didn't know what to say in English?
You're not alone.
Today, I'm taking my first flight by myself.
Come with us from check-in to landing.
You'll learn the English people really use at the airport.
No difficult grammar. Just real conversations you can use on your next trip.
Let's get to the airport. Hey everyone. Welcome back. I'm Jay.
And I'm Anna.
Today, we're taking a complete airport journey in English.
We'll help you every step of the way.
Let's get started. Wow, this airport is much bigger than I expected.
It can feel overwhelming the first time.
I don't even know where to go first.
First, we need to find the check-in counter.
How?
Look at the departure screen and find your flight number.
Found it.
Great. It says check-in counter 12.
That wasn't so hard after all. There are so many people here.
Airports are usually busy, especially during the day.
I was worried everyone would know exactly where to go except me.
Most people are checking the signs just like you.
Really?
Of course. Even experienced travelers look around sometimes.
That actually makes me feel better.
Remember, airports are designed to help you find your way.
As long as I keep reading the signs, I'll be okay.
Exactly. Just take one step at a time.
What if I can't find the counter?
Just ask, "Excuse me, could you tell me where check-in counter 12 is?"
And they'll probably say, "It's just past the information desk on your right."
Exactly. Then you simply say, "Thank you very much."
That actually sounds easy.
Most airport conversations are short and polite.
I think it's our turn now.
When you reach the counter, you'll usually hear, "May I see your passport, please?"
Sure. Here you are.
Next, they may ask, "Do you already have your boarding pass?"
Not yet.
Then they'll ask for your booking reference.
Here it is.
Now comes a common question, window seat or aisle seat?
I always forget which one is the aisle seat.
The aisle seat is next to the walkway.
Then I'd like an aisle seat, please.
Good choice.
Why do so many people choose the aisle seat?
It's easier to stand up and walk around during the flight.
That sounds perfect for me.
Some people prefer the window because they enjoy the view.
Maybe I'll try that next time.
I'd choose the window seat.
At least I'll remember the difference now.
Another common question is, do you have any checked baggage?
Checked baggage means the suitcase I leave at check-in, right?
Exactly.
Yes. Just one suitcase.
Now place it on the scale.
Oh, it looks heavy.
The staff says, your bag is over the weight limit.
Seriously?
You'll need to pay an excess baggage fee, or remove a few things.
Can I move them into my backpack?
Yes, if your carry-on meets the airline's rules.
Perfect. I knew packing 5 pairs of shoes was a bad idea.
5 pairs? You're only traveling for a few days.
I like having options.
Your suitcase definitely noticed.
Okay, problem solved.
Great. Here comes your boarding pass.
I'll keep it somewhere safe this time.
Good idea. You'll need it again very soon.
Next stop, security. This is the part I've been worried about.
Don't worry. Just follow the instructions. You'll usually hear, boarding pass and passport, please.
Here you go.
Next, they'll say, please place your bags on the conveyor belt.
That's the moving belt for the bags, right?
Exactly. Then you'll hear, please remove your laptop, jacket, belt, and anything from your pockets.
There's a lot to remember.
After you've done it once, it becomes easy.
Everything is in the tray now. I keep checking my pockets.
That's a good habit.
I don't want to leave anything behind.
Many people forget small things like phones or keys.
I'll check one more time.
Good. It's always better to check before you walk away.
Oh. The scanner beeped.
Relax. That happens all the time. Sometimes they'll ask you to step aside for a quick bag check.
Did I do something wrong?
Not at all. It's usually just a routine check.
Oh. I forgot my water bottle.
That explains it. Large liquids aren't allowed after security.
Goodbye, water bottle.
At least you'll remember that rule next time.
Lesson learned.
Great. We're through security.
That was much easier than I expected. What's next?
Now we need to find our boarding gate.
Where do I find the gate number?
Check your boarding pass.
Gate 18. Got it.
Perfect. Just follow the airport signs.
I almost walked toward arrivals.
Good thing you noticed the signs.
I'm getting better at this already. We made it with plenty of time.
It's always better to arrive early.
What happens now?
Now we wait for the boarding announcement. You'll probably hear, boarding will begin shortly. Please have your boarding pass and passport ready.
So I should keep both in my hand.
Exactly.
Do I need to stand in line now?
No. Wait until your boarding group is called.
Good. I don't like standing for no reason. I'm glad we didn't arrive at the last minute.
Rushing through an airport is never fun.
I feel much more relaxed now. I was pretending I knew exactly where I was going.
You looked very confident.
I was completely guessing.
That's more common than you think. That's why arriving early is always a good idea.
Now I can just enjoy the moment. I think it's our turn.
Let's go. At the gate, you'll usually hear, boarding pass and passport, please.
Here they are.
After scanning your boarding pass, they'll often say, have a pleasant flight.
I'd simply reply, thank you.
Perfect.
We're finally on the plane.
Welcome aboard.
What if I can't find my seat?
Just ask, excuse me, could you help me find my seat?
Mine is seat 18A.
Great. Just follow the seat numbers.
Found it.
Nice job.
Where does my backpack go?
A small bag goes under the seat in front of you. A larger carry-on goes in the overhead compartment.
Everything finally makes sense.
See? You're ready to travel on your own.
I was afraid I'd sit in the wrong seat.
It happens more often than you think.
I'm glad I checked the seat number twice.
That's always a good idea.
Everything feels much less confusing now.
See how much you've learned already?
We're finally in the air.
Congratulations on your first flight.
I was nervous for nothing.
See? The hardest part was getting started.
What if I need something during the flight?
You can simply say, "Excuse me, could I have some water, please?"
That's easy.
Always remember to say please and thank you.
Good manners work everywhere.
Exactly.
The view from up here is amazing.
Enjoy it. Your trip has just begun.
I think we're landing.
Yes. We've arrived.
I can't believe I actually did it.
See? The airport wasn't scary. It was just unfamiliar.
I already feel more confident. Now we need to collect our luggage.
Follow the signs to baggage claim.
There are so many suitcases.
Check the luggage tag before picking one up.
Found mine.
Perfect. Our journey is complete.
I can't believe the whole journey is over.
And you handled it really well.
At the beginning, I thought I'd get lost.
Now you're ready for your next flight.
I'll be much more confident next time.
Let's see how much you remember.
I'm ready.
Where do you check in for your flight?
At the check-in counter.
What do you show before boarding?
My boarding pass and passport.
Where do you collect your luggage?
At baggage claim.
Excellent. Now it's your turn.
Pause the video and answer these questions out loud.
Would you choose a window seat or an aisle seat?
How would you ask for help if you couldn't find your gate?
How would you ask for some water on the plane?
Say your answers out loud. Speaking is the fastest way to improve.
Today, you didn't just learn airport vocabulary.
You completed an entire airport journey in English.
If you enjoyed this lesson, give the video a like and subscribe for more real English conversations.
Thanks for learning with us today.
We'll see you in the next episode.